Hi guys, so hari ni kita nak unboxing my first hirono.
And also my first skull panda.
Duduklah depan. So belikan untuk saya. Saya sebenarnya ada a face yang saya keep reposting about this. She noticed it.
Yeah.
To be loved is to be seen. Okay guys.
Betul.
So dia belikan untuk saya. Do you want to say the price?
No.
Yeah. So I want to wear like cantik-cantik dan unboxing, but I just can't help. So yeah, muka busuk guys.
It's not
Baru
busuk
balik
lah.
kelas. So anyways, so this is my hirono. And dia ada beberapa options. Another secret. Actually saya tak ada any macam tak ada nak
Kemahuan.
tak ada nak yang mana-mana okey. Sebab saya suka semua. Tapi macam ni macam catch my eyes lah. This one.
Apa tu?
Kat TikTok. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Fading. And every hirono ada cerita dia masing-masing sebenarnya. So I'm so excited. And yours? Dia pun ada juga.
Tapi I don't know lah what's the behind story. Mana tahu.
Ya, tak tahu dia ada story ke tak. Boleh search kot.
Change.
Yeah. So I'm so excited.
Apa?
I'm so excited.
Jom buka.
Takut. Jom. Nampak? So kita koyak. Excited.
Alah, sayang pula.
Aku
Janganlah, takut.
I'm too happy.
Alah, cantik lah kau tak ada lah.
Kira.
I touch my issues.
I'm excited. Sorry guys. Sabar.
Tahu
Takut nak buka.
nak buka.
Oh wow. Kan tu nak. Oh ya, aku takut. Actually belum lagi lah. Dia ada orang kan dia buat macam box out of. Saya koyak.
Wait, I collect already. Alah, I don't like it.
Oh, it's like this. Tada.
Oh.
Dalam dia tak ada lagi kan?
Tak ada.
Oh.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think I saw a card.
Ya, wait, ada card.
There's card dengan the jap.
Ada PC, Mat.
Sabarlah, tunjuk keluar ni dulu. Janganlah tengok dulu. Keluar dia punya plastik dulu. So dia punya.
Oh. Untuk mata pula. Wow, look.
Kejap. Excitednya.
Tapi I think the card does not reflect what's inside.
Really?
I think so lah.
No lah. It
Does it
reflects.
reflect? Look, tapi I think
Janganlah tengok.
I don't know. Okay lah. Got lah.
Nah,
Okay.
kau ni aku pula yang review.
No lah.
Tunjuklah.
Okay, ni skull panda.
Kejap. I
Okay
cannot
lah.
control my gummy smile. Sorry guys.
Buka.
Yeah.
Okay lah, buka lah.
Kenapa kau tak nak buka?
Tak ada, macam nervous pula.
Kejap.
Come lah, 1, 2, 3. I already thought it.
Yeah.
I already thought it.
I thought it already.
Okay. We close our eyes and then we show.
Takut.
Balik.
Aku rasa kaki.
Okay.
Aku rasa aku pegang kaki dia.
Okay, dah.
Okay, jap.
Kita keluarkan. Kita tengok sama-sama.
Okay.
Okay, keluarkan dah. Tengok mata.
Tunjuk kamera dulu.
Kita tengok dulu.
Aku tengok.
Dah. 1.
Aku tengok.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Weh, cute. Weh. Weh, tengok. Weh, I think I got the secret one. And you got the secret one also.
Kejap. Comelnya. Kejap. Aku pening kepala sekejap. I think I smell a lot. Pening kepala.
Can you die from smelling too much? Yeah.
Comelnya. That's...
Weh, look. Kau punya?
Yeah. Dia kena buka. Macam baik sangat kita ni. Anyways. Weh, I don't know. I think my reaction is quite underwhelmed. But I feel very happy inside sampai aku sakit kepala sekarang ni. Sebab I feel suppressed. Sebab ada kamera.
Oh, faham.
I think I will scream aloud
I mean, you scream lah before after the video's been cut.
Sumpah comel. She got the secret
No,
one.
no.
You
No,
got
no.
the secret one.
No. It's a grief one.
Oh.
Come show your card.
Oh. The green?
Your card.
Oh my god. Oh. Dalam ada lagi sebenarnya.
Oh, ya lah weh. Oh.
Comelnya. Aku nak jerit sekarang ni. Ah. Weh, aku sumpah. Aku nak jerit. Lepas cut je video ni aku nak jerit sebab this is too cute.
Cute.
Thank you, P.
Come. Assemble the thing. Cantik loh kat dia.
Yeah. Cantik kan? Comelnya. Tapi, oh, dia cannot stand still for a while.
Is there a story from...
Let's read the story though. Do you have the
Mana
story?
tahu ada kat sini ke? Tak ada.
Oh, kena pasang.
Gold ring.
Pening kepala aku. I cannot suppress my emotion. Nanti pening kepala. So, I need to jerit. We thought that she got the secret one.
Yeah, but it's not. Look,
Yeah.
it has 2 parts.
Eh!
Yeah, I think for the kepala one and also another, the stepping stone.
Jom. Assemble.
Stepping stone.
We will assemble for a while sebab storage saya pun dah tak banyak. So I don't know why Sufi doesn't want to talk in my vlog, or maybe dia memang pendiam sikit. I don't know about that. But anyways, this is hers. It came with veil. Dia boleh buka.
Oh,
Oh ya, aku takut juga nak buka. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Sumpah cute. Dia bagi XG punya vibes. Sumpah nice. Kenapa muka aku macam tu? Anyways, tutup muka aku lah. Sumpah nice.
Tapi sumpah, macam mana ni?
Yeah,
This hirono.
And I like the details.
Come, show the hirono.
This one is also cute. Dan pasang. Habislah. Nanti beli lagi.
Jangan.
Wait, this is so pretty, sia. Look.
No way. I thought it's gonna be pink. I want the pink one though.
This is the cards. The pink one?
Yeah. I want the pink one, but it's okay. Yeah.
Calls for the new. This is the bawah dia. Comel kan? It's dripping out the emas paint.
Emas paint.
Gold paint. Sumpah comel. Sukanya. Comelnya. Do you want? Let's read the story.
Yours lah. Yours got story.
You got
mine.
story?
Oh,
No.
yeah. No lah.
Can I use your phone?
Yeah, sure.
Ni story dia. Kita orang actually tengok dekat TikTok.
Yeah.
So, a pot of paint landed on Hirono Rishi's head, but it kept sliding down without leaving anything behind. Even though Hirono really wanted to decorate himself, the only colorful thing he had was the bright red pen in his hand. If the paint doesn't stick to his body and keeps drifting away like that, sooner or later Hirono will drown.
Oh, that's so deep. I don't know.
I don't know.
That's so sad.
Sedihnya. Sekejap. Ini. Ini bukan eh?
Bukan. Punya Rishi.
Rishi lah.
Let me search. Cuba search hirono Rishi.
Coba. Sedih lah.
Tapi apa dia macam tak?
Memang macam tu. Ya. Tak mahu
Dia
sangat.
bagus pula.
Tapi
Nah.
okay. But anyways, this is so cute. My first Hirono.
Meow 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 meow.
Pasal Sufi dia beli ni. You know,
Oh no, look. Come, read this story.
oh, maksudnya Hirono is typical. I think we cannot drag too much sebab habis storage tadi. Anyways, Hirono is depicted with paint pouring over his head, symbolizing the overwhelming feeling of being submerged in emotions or situation beyond control. I mean, that's literally
You.
that's literally you. Oh my god. Tadi kita orang baca kita orang macam, is this me? I think this really reflected me lah.
Coincidence? I think not. Okay.
I really love it. Anyways, I think that's all from us. I really love it so much. I think my reaction is too underwhelming.
I wanna search for the backstory of this.
Yeah.
Tapi tak ada, I think it's just the concept.
Yeah.
A skull panda concept. Yeah.
I love it so much.
Mama.
I think I want to scream after this. Anyways. That's all. Kenapa kau pegang tu pegang ni?
Betul juga. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.